What's good, everybody? Raddad Cooks here. Today we're going to be whipping up these amazing baguette chips. Use them for your favorite dip. They're nice, they're hearty, they can scoop a lot. You know, they sell these things at the grocery store for $5-6 a bag, which I think is just crazy. You can cop yourself a baguette for $1.50. Let's go. We're going to start off by cutting this baguette on the bias, which is pretty much a fancy culinary word for diagonal. It's going to give us maximum surface area. Make sure you're using a bread knife too, that way you don't crush your bread or cut your fingers. I'll have a link in the description below to one like the one I use. Once we get those baguette chips sliced out, we're going to put them on a parchment paper lined pizza tray. The parchment paper isn't necessary, but I find it easy to transfer it off the tray, especially if I'm working in batches. Brush on a light coat of extra virgin olive oil to hold our seasonings. Don't go too crazy with the oil. Seasonings are simple, light dusting of paprika, garlic powder, and salt. Into the oven at 275 degrees for 25 minutes. Out of the oven comes your amazing homemade baguette chips. Super simple, super easy, guys. Huck them in a gallon Ziploc bag, get as much air out as possible. You got 3 days to enjoy those bad boys. Well, thank you very much for tuning in today. Hope y'all enjoy this quick little recipe. Got something new to dip on. Heck, you might even have a stale baguette sitting around the house. These things only last for about 15 minutes. If you're just discovering us and you like quick, simple, straight to the point recipes, make sure you subscribe on the way out. Peace!